So here's where we are with the Wheel Horse Raider 10. I have the mower now fully installed. I actually ended up getting another mower deck. This original deck here, the metal itself is in better shape than that one. This one has a couple fiberglass repairs and the pulleys are a little bit loose. However, it has all the rollers. The guy had this one mowing last year on his tractor before he took it off. So for now, I think I'm just going to use the machine as is. It functions, goes up and down, no problem. I mowed a little bit with it yesterday. Did a pretty good job, but I didn't realize I had the deck on incorrectly. The way I bought the other deck, this metal piece here was underneath this bar, and it was preventing the mower deck from going up and down properly. It looks like this one was actually in that position as well, where that bar made a groove into the metal there. So anyway, I just sharpened up the blades yesterday, put the deck back on properly. So let's go see how it mows.